Welcome. Today we are exploring applied behavior analysis, component analysis. We'll examine how dissecting complex therapeutic packages help clinical practitioners isolate active variables, streamline intervention packages, and create highly effective parsimonious treatments for real-world learners. There are two primary pathways to component analyses: the add-in or additive method and the dropout or subtractive method. The add-in method starts with a clean slate and systematically layers components to evaluate individual efficacy. The dropout method starts with the entire bundle of treatments and strips them away one by one to see which ones are truly load-bearing. Both aim to balance clinical efficiency with pragmatic simplicity. Let's look at our first case study from the 2013 Journal of Autism Spectrum Disorder study. This research evaluated a behavior skills training package consisting of instruction, modeling, rehearsal, and feedback to teach conversation skills to young adults on the autism spectrum. An add-in component analysis revealed that different participants required different combinations of these components to reach success. This suggests that starting with the entire training package might actually be more efficient in practice than laboriously isolating components from day one. Our second case study is a landmark pediatric feeding study from 1995 using a dropout analysis. They started with a heavy multi-component package: choice, warm-ups, and escape extinction. When systematically dropping non-essential components, they noticed that food acceptance remained stable until they dropped the escape extinction, causing immediate performance collapse. This proved escape extinction was the only true critical active variable, allowing them to discard extraneous features to reduce the stress on families and clinicians. The third study from 2012 looked at training school teachers to run accurate functional analyses. They used an add-in design coupled with a rapid alternating treatment design. By evaluating passive instruction and modeling versus active practice with feedback, they found that passive training was ineffective on its own. Immediate performance feedback and behavioral rehearsal were the only components that consistently drove mastery, showing we can skip long passive lectures and jump straight into active practice. This visual representation summarizes the comparative efficacy of training packages. As synthesized from the literature, active training components like immediate performance feedback and rehearsal carry nearly all the weight of behavioral change. Passive procedures like written materials or video modeling provide marginal benefits on their own. Your focus for clinical resources should be on active feedback loops. To wrap up, when should we actually deconstruct our clinical packages? First, to fade redundancies. Families and schools need simple, actionable steps. Second, for troubleshooting stalled progress by introducing missing layers systematically. And finally, for fiscal and administrative efficiency. Don't pay for high-cost tools unless they have a proven active utility. Thank you all for your time. Have a wonderful day.